Alright, what's up y'all? It is Rage and Bree and we are back again with another video. First, we would like to say thank you to Aporro for sponsoring this video. And they sent us these beautiful bracelets and necklace. So first, we want to show y'all Reggie's necklace. He got the 8mm white ice out. White gold ice out tennis chain. And I got the 8mm rose gold ice out tennis bracelet. So you want to talk about yours first?
Yeah, as far as like the looks, I love it. It's not too heavy, not too light, kind of in the middle. Overall, I mean, I like it. I like it, you know what I'm saying?
What do you think about like the shine?
Yeah, that's what I was about to get to, like the shine, very shiny, you know what I'm saying? A lot of times, I mean, I got a compliment like walking out my house, actually somebody had to put their shades on because it almost blinded them because it was a little, you know what I'm saying, a little blinky blinky. How about yours though?
So I really like mine. It's like Reggie said, it's really not that heavy. Mine was just a little big, but other than that, it's really pretty. Like I like the rose gold because I think rose gold is like feminine. It adds that like feminine quality. So overall, it's really pretty. Like I would actually wear this. It was like, it's just a pretty color and it's really shiny.
Yeah, it's definitely shiny.
It's just like very girly. I think it's just really pretty and girly. So
yeah, overall we both like it. You know.
The quality is good.
It's definitely good.
So go ahead.
No, I was just about to say, so you guys be sure to check out their website along with their Instagram.
So check out their website at Aporro, APORRO.com, and then go check out their Instagram, Aporro Brand. So that's APORRO Brand on Instagram. So you guys definitely please go check them out because they got some nice ice out.
Yeah, they do.
Ice me out, like ice me out. So these are real cute and we were really excited to do this video with them. So we just want to thank them again for sending this to us. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the lookbooks. Stay tuned for some lit outfits.
Listen to my heart go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, go ride, ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up. Controlling my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up. Da 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 da, my heart go ride, dee da da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 boot up.
Look what I'm whipping up. This is America. Don't got you slipping up. Look how I'm living up. Police be tripping up. Yeah, this is America. Guns in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry 'em. Yeah, yeah, I'ma go into this. Yeah, yeah, this is gorilla. Yeah, yeah, I'ma go get the bag. Yeah, yeah, or I'ma get the pad. Yeah, yeah, I'm so cold like yeah. Yeah, I'm so catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Yeah, yeah. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. Look how I'm kicking now. I'm so pretty. I'm on Gucci. I'm so pretty. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get it. This is selling. That's a tool. Yeah. On my Kodak. Black. Ooh, know that. Yeah. Ooh, get it. Get it. 100 bands, 100 bands, 100 bands. Contraband, contraband, contraband. I got the plug on who a hawker. Whoa. They gonna find you like Waka.
America. I just checked my follow and listen. You motherfuckers owe me.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And we want to say once again, thanks to Aporro for sponsoring this video. And we just want you guys to go check them out. So please go check them out at aporro.com. That's APORRO.com. And their Instagram, Aporro Brand. So APORRO Brand on Insta. So y'all go check them out if y'all want some lit chains. And we'll make sure to put the link in the description of what exactly that we got, so you guys can, you know, be iced out like us.
Yeah, I can join the ice out team.
Yeah. So we hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on if you haven't already.
And we'll catch you guys next time. All right, peace.